This is Callan with Zooland Boerboels. Just showing you what I do with my dogs, especially when they was puppies, so they can get used to loud noises. I do something as simple as a water jug, milk jug. Put a little rocks in there. And it just get them used to loud noises so they won't be scary or scared of loud noises. See, just work with them. I do this every now and then. Anyway, that's it. Just something get them used to loud noises. Like I said, I haven't did this in a while, but when I first got them when they was puppies, I used to do this all the time. But anyway, this is something I used to give them when they were younger, when they were little puppies. That way they wouldn't be scared of noises. Kind of build a little bit of confidence in them. But it's what I used to give them. Just a little something. Anyway, y'all have a good day. This is Callan with Zooland Boerboels. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe.